Doc McStuffins Storybook. Like a lot of children, Doc McStuffins likes to play with toys. She especially loves her stuffed animals. Stuffy is a bright blue stuffed dragon with wings and a long tail. Lambie is a cuddly stuffed lamb dressed all in pink. But Doc has a special secret. Her magic stethoscope can bring toys to life. When no one else is around, the stethoscope starts to glow. And the toys begin to walk and talk. Stuffy and Lambie are always happy to see their best friend. "Hi, Doc," they shout excitedly. Doc knows that every toy wants to play with kids. She cares about toys so much she made a clinic in her backyard for toys that aren't working properly. When a toy is broken or not feeling well, she brings it to the clinic and gives it a checkup. The doc is in. Figuring out what's wrong with a toy is like solving a mystery. After checking the symptoms and asking the patient a few questions, Doc gives a diagnosis. She writes down every diagnosis in the big book of boo-boos. Once Doc has a diagnosis, she gets to work on making the patient feel better. Sometimes that means recharging a toy's batteries, or replacing a piece that is broken or missing. Sometimes it's as easy as putting a bandage on a boo-boo. And Doc knows that sometimes the best medicine is a cuddle from a good friend.